altar has become its own memorial, Reed's colleagues from all over the region gathered to finalize plans for both his funeral and contributions to support his widow through the Western Pennsylvania Police Benevolent Foundation.
He was a great guy. I really can't say enough good about him. Just a kind, gentle, caring guy.
In town, those who were shocked at his death remembered Reed's caring spirit.
I was driving down Seward Street till my car just quit. Well, I got it pulled off the side of the road. He came maybe 5 minutes later, stayed with me till my husband got there. And then he stayed with me until my husband went and called the tow truck.
And local officers who came to lend a hand took notice of stories like that.
Everywhere we went, people immediately recognized and started to tell us stories about Junior. The one young lady talked to us about him laying in the 20 below zero on the ground so that her car was fixed so she could go back to work. I mean, this is outside of his service in uniform. This was a man who was committed to serving others.
Visitation for Officer Reed begins Thursday at Emmanuel Baptist Church in Johnstown. From St. Clair Township, Westmoreland County, Harold Haynes, KDKA TV News.
The Western Pennsylvania Police Benevolent Foundation is collecting donations to help Officer Reed's widow, Rose. Contributions can be made at Washington Financial Bank on Washington Road in McMurray. Please indicate that the donation is for the Lloyd Reed Jr. Fund. You can find the bank's address and information on other ways to donate at kdka.com. Other news now, an autopsy shows a woman had been stabbed in the back several times before she was found bleeding on a street in Carroll. 28-year-old Margaret Rickassens died a short time later. Her investigations had just moved to Pittsburgh from Menneson Friday night. She was stabbed early Saturday morning.
I don't know what is happening or how it is happening. I wish somebody would say something or come forward and say something.
Case is in 4-year-old. This story making headlines across the country was a Pittsburgh